It's Phil Martin here with Marketing My Phil and the firm Legal Networks, and welcome back to another edition of 5 Minutes with Phil. Today I want to speak to the attorneys about how to become the 5-star lawyer. All right, now let's face it, bad reviews can ruin a good lawyer's reputation. And it happens all the time. It's nothing to be shameful about, right? You get a ton of reviews, and then all of a sudden someone leaves you some horrible reviews because they had a bad experience with your law firm. But it's a way that you can change the narrative on that. And what I teach and train here at the firm Legal Network, so all of my attorney clients, is you could change the trajectory of those reviews. And let me tell you how. First, order this book right now. Pre-order the book, How to Become a 5-Star Lawyer. Get it before your competitor does, and that way you'll stay ahead of the curve, okay? But one of the things that I teach my attorneys is this, right? You must answer all reviews, okay? Answer all reviews, even the negative one, and let me tell you why. The negative reviews get more traction than the positive reviews. So take it, people like bad news, people like horror stories, people just like bad things. So when it comes to bad reviews, guess what? People like it, and Google recognizes that. So one of the things that I teach my attorney clients is this: answer every single review, even the negative reviews. Now what this does is this: you're gonna answer a negative review, maybe something like this: hey guys, I'm sorry about your experience that you had with our law firm. I hope in the near future we can earn your business by representing you again and giving you the best that we have. And by the way, if your case is still going on, I wish you all the best of luck. And if it's already settled and you came out victorious, congratulations. Now, what this does is, for people who are already looking for reviews to your firm, they're going to see the humanity side of your law firm, right? After all, they want lawyers that they can trust and that they like, right? So if you're going to say something really nice to someone who's really pretty much shitted all over you on a review, people are going to look at that and it carries a lot of weight. They say this firm really is a class act. Even though this person said all these horrible things about their firm, they came back and tried to rectify the situation, and it's always a good thing, okay? Number two is ask your client to leave a review, okay? Ask your clients to leave your review, okay? And let me tell you why. It's very important, because when they leave that review, two things can happen. One, you're gonna really get a really cool review from a client that was very happy for your services that you provided, right? And then number two, Google is gonna recognize it, because what Google does, let me tell you how Google works just a little bit, right? Google recognizes keywords and phrases, and the algorithms, they get that information, and what Google does, they'll spit that out and bump you up. So you can get a little bump in your rankings just by using certain keywords and different phrases, okay? So what I teach here to my attorney clients is this: ask your client to leave you a review, right? And to speed up the process is, you can give them a link. Typically what most law firms and lawyers do, they just ask the client to go ahead and leave them a review, and they're on their own. They don't know how, they don't have a clue on how to write a review. And if they do, they're not saying the right things. Now, you don't want to tell them what to say, but you do want to give them some key phrases and some keywords that they can use to help Google recognizes what's going on. And that way you can get a little bump in the rankings, and it'll go a long way, I'm telling you, all right? Now, number three is, you have to create a really powerful lawyer video. All right, a testimonial. All right, people love testimonials. They want to see, hear about the experiences other families had by dealing with your law firm. Okay, they want to see the value that you can give them. They also want to see that you can solve their problems. And if you implement just these 3 strategies right here, you should be able to see a huge change in your law firm's review, okay? I want your law firm to be looked up as a really good law firm. And the way to do this is you have to become the 5-star attorney. Now, when giving the client, asking them to leave you a review, what you're gonna do is you're gonna give them a link. The link is called Bitly, B-I-T-L-Y lawfirm.com. What this link does, it'll take your client right to the review box, right there, when all they have to do is click one of the 5 stars. If you're a 5-star lawyer, they're going to click the 5th star. Then they're going to leave their experience in the review box right there for you to see. It's like you're taking a kid to the zoo by the hand, okay? It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. Implement these 3 strategies and you will see a big change in the way people are viewing your law firm, okay? Also, don't forget, pre-order the book today, How to Become the 5-Star Lawyer. Get it now before your competitor does, and I'll see you at the top. Thanks.